Okay, if you are designing a breakfast, three things that I would look out for. I would want you to have a protein. I want you to have some sort of carbohydrate, whether coming from plants or a grain, plants being a vegetable or a fruit, and then some sort of essential fatty acid. And so what that could look like is eggs with chia seeds and spinach, kind of making an omelet. That sounds really weird, but chia seeds are actually kind of a powerhouse food. They have a really easy to digest fiber, typically for most people, and they also have your omega-3s and omega-6s, which are really good for your neurology and brain health. And then you're going to get the protein from the egg, and then you're going to get the really healthy fats in the egg. Eggs are also really easy to typically cook and handle, and you typically can find them at most stores. I know right now in 2025, we're having a little bit of a shortage because of what's happening in the bird flu. So just paying attention, typically going to a store earlier in the morning, you're going to have shipments that are fresh and easy to access. Later in the day, people might have consumed or bought the eggs. Another idea could be some sort of yogurt with a berry and a chia seed or flax seed. Again, using nuts and seeds, typically there's conversations on how to properly prepare them. Soaking any sort of nuts and seeds is going to break down some of the digestive issues that could potentially cause indigestion or mineral blockage. Again, that's being super picky, but having your nuts or seeds soaked or prepared, trying to avoid the added salt and the added, like if you're buying like cinnamon sugar coated cashews, all those things. But some nuts don't have omega-3s and omega-6s. So walnuts, chia, and flax seeds do. That could be another idea. So a breakfast kind of setting the gut, setting the brain, and setting the protein and the kickstart of the day. It doesn't have to be right when you wake up. Within the first hour or two, really helps the body to prepare for the day. If you don't have any hunger or hunger cues in the morning, it could be related to poor sleep, poor stress, hormones that are being mismanaged, or if you're just sucking down a ton of coffee, that's going to kill any sort of hunger cue. So ideally, you're waking up with a little bit of hunger. If not, there could be so many things that you're trying to navigate, and you could do that individually with someone. But I would want to ask about sleep, activity. I would ask about hormone levels. I would want to ask about blood glucose levels. I want to figure out what's happening in the morning for you. And morning could be 10 a.m. It could be 5 a.m. There's no magical start to the day in terms of the clock. It depends upon your lifestyle. Hope this helps. Follow for more.